In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Google Calendar with other applications by obtaining the iCal link. This process will allow you to seamlessly sync your calendar events across different platforms, making it easier for you to stay organized and up to date. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you know exactly what to do without any hassle. First things first, you'll want to open Google Calendar on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the Google account associated with the calendar you want to work with. If you're not signed in, take a moment to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice a small gear icon, which is the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that to open your settings options. After the settings page loads, you'll see a list of options on the left side. This menu contains various settings related to different calendars and preferences. Look for the section labeled Settings for My Calendars and locate the specific calendar you wish to work with. Click on the name of that calendar to access its settings. Next, you'll want to find the option labeled Integrate Calendar. This section contains all the information needed to connect your Google Calendar with other services. Once there, you'll see a section called Secret Address in iCal format. This URL is what you need to synchronize your calendar with other applications. Simply highlight the URL provided and right-click to copy it. This link is essential as it allows other platforms to subscribe to your calendar's events. Now, let's discuss an additional option you might want to consider. If you want to make your calendar available to a broader audience, such as colleagues or event participants, you can make your calendar public. To do this, return to the calendar settings and scroll down until you find the section named Access Permissions for Events. Here, you have the option to check the box labeled Make Available to Public. By doing so, your calendar becomes accessible to anyone with the link, providing a convenient way to share it with others. When making your calendar public, you will also notice another URL in this section. This is the public address in iCal format. If you've chosen to make your calendar public, you can use this link to share your calendar broadly, ensuring everyone who needs access can view your scheduled events. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Google Calendar settings and obtained the iCal URL, empowering you to integrate your calendar with a multitude of other platforms. Thanks for joining me today and happy organizing.